Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get internet in Brazil, and I'm going to share with you, in my opinion, what's the best way how you can get internet in Brazil. So the first one is My Mobile. It's an eSIM provider, and I'm going to show you how it works. So all you have to do is to right here in search and write Brazil, press enter, and then you're gonna have Brazil eSIM right here. Now, with the link down below in the description, you're going to get also discount if you want to use data in Brazil. And now you're going to choose how many days you actually want. So you want to go for 10 days, 15 days, 30 days, completely up to you, right? Then you're going to have if you want a 3 gigabytes, 5 gigabytes of data, 10 gigabytes, or even unlimited data. So you're going to choose it right here. So let's say that I want to go with the 5 gigabyte of data for 15 days. And I'm going to click here activate now. When you're going to activate it, then you're going to find here 10% discount from me has been applied with the link down below in the description. And then you're going to have the starting date and also the days here. If you want to have 10 days, 15 days, you can change it right here. And you can have also auto recharge. So when you would get it, what would happen then, and I made even tutorial down below in the description too, you're going to get a QR code. You can see right here, this is the My Mobile email. And you're going to get a QR code that you can download or just scan. And then when you're going to scan it, you have to just like activate it in your phone. But your phone needs to be eSIM compatible. So this is important thing. So that's about the Maya Mobile. Another one that I present for you is Airalo. Airalo is another one that I personally used and it worked great. So here when I'm going to write Brazil, you can just like compare the prices. And you see right here 3 gigabytes of data or even 5 gigabytes of data, 30 days. You can click buy now. Then you see also the network, buy now. And then what is going to happen? You have to apply the code. So that's about the Airalo and how it works. So here we would apply the code and you're good to go. So I definitely recommend the My Mobile or Airalo. Depends on the plan, on how many days you're going to be in Brazil. And then you can also use HelloFly. So when I'm going to write here, Brazil, and you're going to have discount too. So search Brazil, and you see right here 5 days, you can have unlimited data. But this is really tricky because you can't really expect what kind of speed you're going to get with Airalo, and with HelloFly, you know that you're going to get a good speed. With HelloFly, it's a little bit tricky, and you don't have a cheaper plan. So let's say you can have just like only 1 gigabyte or I don't know, 3 gigabytes. Here you're gonna have only unlimited data. Same process, add to cart, you're gonna apply the discount, and that's pretty much it. And that's how we're gonna get data in Brazil. So thank you very much guys for watching, and this is how we can get the internet in Brazil and what I think is the best way. Have a great day and goodbye.